Hello, and welcome to a new video. So I made a video a while back, which is 2 weeks ago. This one, which that introduced Karth. Karth is a mobile app where you can find investment opportunities listed, and you can have the necessary details if you want to invest in a specific startup locally or internationally. You can have the necessary details, the numbers, and most of them are pre-vetted by us, by the Karth company. I wanted to share like the process of building a mobile app like that, but I think that as a founder, if you want to understand the fundamentals of building a company, it's not really the technical stuff alone that you need to understand the back end of it. And the back end, I don't really mean the technical and code related aspect. I mean like the admin and the necessary team and the skill set that needs to be based around this team to make a concept like this works. So why I was trying to build Karth in the first place. So ShareVest started with working with institutions and accredited investors. So our work primarily sits between these two niches. We work with different financial institutions as well. We've been testing our strategies and our tools primarily in the Italian market. I'm currently in Turkey in contact with a couple of institutions trying to share the ShareVest strategy, find new investors and new networks here in Istanbul. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So our work was primarily for institutions and accredited investors. I also noticed that most of Tunisians, beyond like the age of 25 years old, maybe older most of the time, they have like little amount of capital that they want to invest, but they don't know where to invest and how to invest it. Okay, they see like different ads for mostly insurance companies, banks, and so on. They're not really trustworthy. Most of these retail investors don't really work for don't really want to invest their money in such institutions. So I've had the idea of Karth, and I'm trying to build it publicly with you guys and have the feedback as long as I'm like making some progress and you can actually see what's being built. Okay, so beyond like the process of developing a new solution or a new mobile app, you need to understand the fundamentals like of making concept like this works. So what do I mean by this? A company like Karth is sponsored by financial services company, which is ShareVest. We want to work on a division locally for in Tunisia, ShareVest.en, that needs to connect different investors and different entrepreneurs with each other. Like you can have, as I've mentioned, listed opportunities that you can evaluate and contact the founders for more details on that front. You can also have a procedure where you can meet said entrepreneurs and said investors to discuss your business idea, the potential of making a concept like this works. And it is really necessary for a company like Karth to exist. It is sponsored by it in the first place, but it needs to work fundamentally with a company like ShareVest to evaluate and flow these deals and these investment opportunities and pre-vet them to have them listed in the Karth app. Okay, so I'm currently trying to focus on ShareVest.en, which is our local division in Tunisia. Most of the time, our previous experiences with a bunch of local investors in Tunis. We've dealt with international partners. We've dealt with local partners in Tunisia. It's not mainly ShareVest. ShareVest.in is just the brand that represents ShareVest Holdings in Tunisia. It's not really legally incorporated there yet. We deal with different partners to deal with any money, any financial transaction, any capital commitment. It's all divided and managed by ShareVest Holdings. Okay, so the next step for us, or the next step for me, is to introduce you to ShareVest.en and how it links with Karth and how these two can connect together and benefit the local retail investors network in Tunisia if anyone wants to invest in a specific company or wants to learn how to invest in the first place. Okay, so this video primarily focuses on these two concepts and how they are interlinked and how they are interconnected to work on a unified local ecosystem built and managed by an operational international firm, which is ShareVest Holdings. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to make a really quick video to introduce the two, and that I am going to be focusing on ShareVest.en back. I'm gonna try to make some more time to it and maybe have a little bit of rebranding on the for the company, introduce like new services, and you can also have any detail about the Karth app in service.t and social media. I'll be trying to focus on these two ideas at the same time while working on my other projects and ventures as well. If you have any more feedback on this front, let me know, and I'll be happy to explain it in detail. And yeah, see you soon.